nearby restaurants or attractions. Collaboration with content providers. To ensure that in-car entertainment and communication systems remain up-to-date and relevant, the automotive industry will need to collaborate closely with content providers and other technology companies. This could involve partnerships with streaming services, social media platforms, and other content providers to ensure that passengers have access to the latest and most engaging entertainment. Options. Conclusion. In conclusion, the future of communication and entertainment technology in autonomous vehicles is full of potential. With ongoing developments in connectivity, entertainment, and personalization, we can expect to see a wide range of new features and capabilities that enhance the passenger experience. As the automotive industry continues to push the boundaries of what is possible, we can expect to see increasingly sophisticated and intuitive interfaces that enable passengers to interact with their vehicles in new and exciting ways. However, it will be important for the industry to address the challenges of safety and security, and to collaborate closely with content providers and other technology companies to ensure that in-car technology remains up-to-date and relevant. Data collection and analysis. One of the potential benefits of in-car technology in autonomous vehicles is the ability to collect and analyze data on passenger behavior and preferences. By gathering data on the types of entertainment and communication options that passengers use, as well as their habits and preferences, automotive companies can tailor their offerings to better meet the needs of their customers. Integration with wearable technology. Another potential area of development for in-car technology in autonomous vehicles is integration with wearable technology. For example, smartwatches and other wearable devices could be used to control in-car entertainment and communication systems, providing passengers with a more seamless and intuitive user experience. Social interaction. As autonomous vehicles become more prevalent, there is also potential for in-car technology to facilitate social interaction between passengers. For example, passengers could use in-car communication systems to connect with other passengers in nearby vehicles, or to connect with friends and family members who are not in the vehicle. Advertising and marketing. With the increasing use of in-car technology in autonomous vehicles, there is also potential for advertising and marketing opportunities. For example, automotive companies could partner with brands to offer targeted advertising and marketing messages to passengers based on their preferences and habits. Challenges and future directions. Despite the many potential benefits of in-car technology in autonomous vehicles, there are also several challenges that need to be addressed. One of the main challenges is the need to balance the desire for entertainment and communication options with the need for safety and focus on the road. Additionally, the industry will need to invest in robust security measures and protocols to protect both the vehicle and its passengers from cyber attacks and other threats. Looking ahead, there is significant potential for in-car technology to continue to evolve and improve, providing passengers with a wide range of entertainment and communication options in autonomous vehicles. As the automotive industry continues to innovate in this area, we can expect to see increasingly sophisticated and intuitive interfaces that enable passengers to interact with their vehicles in new and exciting ways. Intelligent personal assistants. As in-car technology becomes more sophisticated, there is potential for the integration of intelligent personal assistants. These assistants could provide passengers with personalized recommendations for entertainment and communication options, as well as other services such as restaurant reservations, event tickets, and more.